Hello guys, it was time here, and today is a special video because I'm gonna show you 3D modeling software online that I just discovered recently, and I wanted to share it with you guys. So yeah, let's get started. I'm also gonna do a small demonstration of how it works and how you can easily design stuff for 3D printing. So those are what I did until now. So you start a new conception. So here's your work plane, and it actually works with shapes. So you drag shapes, you modify them. It can either be like solid or carved. For example, if I take a pyramid, drag it here, it can either be solid or a hole. A hole, what it does, for example, if I take a box, slide this, take this, I slide it onto this, and then what the hole does, if I regroup them together, it actually makes a hole in the box. I don't know if you guys can see, I'm gonna change the angle. So yeah. So here you have the home view, or you can actually reset your view. And it's pretty useful, so let's try building something. Okay, I'm gonna delete this. And let's try, I don't know, a house. So I'm gonna take a box, make it a bit longer, a bit bigger. Actually, no, this is the height. And if you wanna like make your shape bigger while being proportional, you can actually expand while pressing shift. So what it's gonna do is actually gonna expand it like this. As if you don't press shift, it's gonna do this. You see. So I have my first shape. Then I'm gonna take a roof, place it here, turn it to 90 degrees. Hold on, here. Then I'm gonna take my work plane and set it on top of the house so I can actually... No, it doesn't work. Take this here, put it directly on the house, then turn it 90 degrees. Okay. And I'm gonna try to... that one here and meet the corners. And yeah, then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my work plane, set it back at the bottom, and align those two shapes together. So I just select those and press align. Align them this way or this way. I'm actually gonna do this. So now they're perfectly aligned. I won't go into real details because this software you can't really go to really fine details because you see it's a free software, but you can still achieve some pretty good shapes, and then you can 3D print them. So yeah, that's cool. Then let's try making a door. Take this, make it smaller, make a hole, and take it here. Now it doesn't really look like a door, but okay. Move it. Alright. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna regroup those three shapes together. Yeah, we have a door. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make a window. Actually, 2 windows. And I'm gonna show you the duplicate function. Have this shape here. I'm gonna make it a hole. You see, you take this, you can duplicate. You can either click here or press Ctrl D, and it's actually gonna duplicate. Now you have 2 shapes. I can drag the other one here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my work plane and set it here, and then make those just a bit smaller. And this one too. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my work plane, put it back down, so I can actually move those shapes to fit them inside of the house. So I know it doesn't look very professional, but here it is. I'm gonna regroup them. Now I have 2 holes here for the windows. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a garage, which is going to be, yeah, I'll take a box. Let's put it on the side of the house, make it a bit smaller. Hole. Then I'm gonna align it so it's perfectly in the middle. Align and, oh, it's already aligned. I'm so good. Then regroup, and here you have your garage. So yeah, you can also change the color. You just press here and you can choose any color you want. Choose gray or yellow or blue. And when you have your shape, you can actually export. And it exports on 3 possible formats. You can have OBJ or STL for 3D printing, or you can have SVG for laser engraving. So that can be pretty useful. I'm gonna export in STL because I don't know if I told you already, but I just ordered a 3D printer online, and I'm gonna show it to you when it comes. I'm really excited about it. So yeah, you can very easily convert those shapes that you made here into a 3D model that you can print with any printer you have. So here you have your model, and my 3D printer has both USB and SD card, but I honestly prefer SD card, as you can just slide the card in your computer, drag the STL file onto it, and plug it in your printer and start printing. That can be really useful for DIY videos, because it can actually make your videos, your creations a lot more professional. But I'll do another video about my 3D printer when it arrives, which is probably gonna be like in 2 weeks or maybe next week. I'm not sure. Anyways, don't forget to check out this software. It's called Tinkercad. It's actually from Autodesk. And yeah, I think it's pretty cool. And you'll have many possible shapes here. Let me just show you the rest of the software. You have text. You can put text, letters, and put symbols and connectors. And yeah, this is for the designs. Then if you go back home, you can also make circuits, like electronic circuits, and test them, like this one I just created. You design your circuit, then you can press start simulation, and with your mouse you can click on a button and it shows what would actually happen in real life. So that's also pretty cool when you're designing circuits. And that's pretty much it for today. Let me know what do you think about this software, and subscribe, stay tuned, like this video, and see you next time. Bye!